And welcome back to Chasing Trophies. Rajasthan Royals keep themselves in the contention for the last playoff spot by जिस तरीके से आज राजस्थान निकल के आए थे, they look more better as a squad, more confident. यशस्वी जायसवाल थे आज कैप्टन in absence of रयान पराग, जिसको लास्ट मैच में अगेंस्ट दिल्ली इंजरी हो गई थी. दिल्ली कैपिटल्स का अगर मैच जीत जाते तो यार फिल वक्त राजस्थान would have made their case for the playoffs, हो जाते, शायद क्वालिफाई भी हो जाते थे based on their net run rate. But tonight's match, they decided to bowl first. Jaiswal took that call. Wicket was flat. Jaiswal making a very good, in hindsight, chase करने के लिए they probably felt कि भाई top order हमारी इतनी काबिलियत रखती है कि भाई chase कर देंगे with the likes of Jaiswal himself, Suryavanshi, Jurel. Added Pretorius into the batting. आज batting heavy चले गए थे. जडेजा still नहीं खेले थे आज. But for Lucknow Super Giant भाई it was the dream start. 83 का पावर प्ले. यार ये इंग्लिश और मार्च की जो जोड़ी है बहुत अच्छी चल रही है फिल वक्त उनके लिए. Staggering 60 और 29 फॉर्म. जॉस इंग्लिश ऑल अराउंड द ग्राउंड उनके शॉट रखने की काबिलियत रखता है. पैडल भी मारता है, मिड ऑन के ऊपर भी छक्के उड़ाता है, स्ट्रेट डाउन द ग्राउंड भी मारता है. मिचेल मार्श इनक्रेडिबल पावर तो है उनके पास. इन दोनों की ऑस्ट्रेलियनों की जोड़ी काफी अच्छी चल रही है यार लास्ट टू गेम से. And today they did the same, and the way they started off brilliantly, but then Yashraj Punja again last game में भी अच्छा डाले थे, ये गेम में भी अच्छा डाले हैं. For the Rajasthan Royals comes up and picks the wicket up of Josh Inglis. Enters Nicholas Puran. भाई Nicholas Puran again underwhelming performance रहा है उनका. ये केस अगर आप देख लो 13 मैचेस हो गए हैं आईपीएल में, एंड उसमें शायद 2 या 3 मैच या 2 मैच शायद निकोलस पुरन के परफॉर्मेंसेस आए हैं. बट अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट बहुत ही अंडरवेलिंग सीजन गया है निकोलस पुरन का. 11 बॉल में सिर्फ 16 रन और उसमें 2 छक्के. बट वेरी वेरी स्लो, वेरी वेरी अनफुलफिलिंग फ्रॉम द एक टाइम पे जो डिस्ट्रक्टिव बीस्ट ऑफ द कैरेबियन बोलते थे, अभी फिल वक्त ही डजंट लुक इन द द पास्ट. अभी फिल वक्त ही लुक्स लाइक अ शैडो ऑफ हिमसेल्फ. ऋषभ पंत अगेन he got 35 runs, but मरते जीतते बोलते ना वो वाले रन रहते. 150 के स्ट्राइक रेट से अगर ऋषभ पंत खेले तो that's not a ऋषभ पंत kind of innings. 35 and 23 deliveries right now, 150 की स्ट्राइक like I mentioned. अब ऋषभ पंत क्लियरली नहीं समझ में आ रहा कि यार उनकी बैटिंग में क्या इशू है. He's not able to use the crease as he usually is. He doesn't look more freer in his mind. बहुत ज्यादा फंस के रहे हैं ऐसा लग रहा है मेरे को. कहीं ना कहीं there are a lot of things going around in his head. आज वाइस कैप्टनसी से भी उनका हाथ छूट गया था. He was dropped as the vice captain. He is in the team test team of the Indian cricket team, but कहीं ना कहीं that thing something in his mind. His decision on the field as a captain haven't been great. His decision as a batsman haven't been great. Post match press conference में बोल रहे हैं कि भाई we are happy as a team. Again that shows sign that he doesn't know what he's saying. Is there some kind of a stress? Goyanka ji is overlooking him as well as in the stands. And as a team, आप एक टाइम पे 83 in the power play थे, उसके बाद 80 more runs were added in the middle overs, but last 5 overs में यार राजस्थान की डेथ बॉलिंग तो स्टेड अप, आप you only managed to make 55. Projected score was 280 at one time for the Lucknow Super Giants, and that fell all the way to a 220. तो आप सोचो 30 से 40 runs आप जब short हो on a wicket which is as flat as that, you do got to question the batsman. Yes, Mitchell Marsh pulled up a brilliant 96 runs of 57 balls, but वही है, there are people like हमारे chat में जो आशुतोष भाई हैं, he's saying कि भाई 50 runs in 25 balls and then 32 balls में 46. 96 of 57 is slow, so you could say कि हाँ भाई Mitchell Marsh also slowed down, but also combining the deliveries of 34 deliveries between Puran and Pant, and out of that you're only going to manage to make about 51 runs. So that is also something that's questionable. At the same time, and you got to credit Jofra Archer भाई शुरुआत में पिटते हैं, but death over में ये बंदा, मैं बोल चुका हूँ गुजरात के भी गेम में जिस तरीके से था. Also the other day we were questioning the call of Rehan Parag not giving the death over to Jofra Archer. बनस्बत Jofra Archer को जल्दी खत्म कर दिए थे, and then you give Bridges the death over, and that's where you got to question. Today you see Jofra Archer जिस तरीके से 5 runs in that last over made a lot of difference, and the death bowling that Jofra Archer has been doing this season absolutely crazy. 4 overs 35 runs, and he picked up a wicket. Sushant Mishra, not a good day for him. Sandeep Sharma, not a good welcome back for him. But Yashraj Punja, like I mentioned at the start, 4 overs 35, 2 wickets. बहुत ही अच्छा डाल रहा है spinner. 6'5", he's been incredible. Again, there's a learning process for that. Difficult day for Sandeep Sharma and Brijesh Sharma as well. Brijesh started off well, but fell off a bit in the recent performances. But like I said, pick out the batsman for the Lucknow Super Giants right now, Mitchell Marsh. Extras काफी 13 दे दिए थे. Rajasthan Royals while bowling. Came out to bat Rajasthan Royals. Suryavanshi ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई he was having an off day. मोहसिन खान के ओवर पे थोड़ा स्ट्रगल करा. Jaiswal came out in fine fashion, man. The way he started off against the Lucknow Super Giants attack. आकाश सिंह जो चिट्ठी निकाले थे पहले ओवर में 19 दे देते हैं, 3 बाउंड्रीज 4 बाउंड्रीज खा लेते हैं. एक्स्ट्रा नहीं, 3 बाउंड्रीज खा के फाइवर भी देते थे, वो 4 बाइज एंड अ सिंगल एंड अ वाइड, तो वहां पे 19 रन कंज्यूम कर दिए. प्रेशर ऑन हिम. देन सूर्यवंशी वर्सेस मोहसिन खान, द फर्स्ट ओवर यू कुड से मोहसिन खान वन दैट बैटल. स्ट्रगल करे थे सूर्यवंशी, थोड़ा नहीं समझ में आ रहा था उनको, बट देन जायसवाल एक्सेलरेटेड. जायसवाल ऑब्वियसली लास्ट कपल ऑफ परफॉर्मेंसेस में नहीं आके खिल रहे थे, बट आज जब कैप्टनसी मिल गई थी, प्लेऑफ्स ऑन द लाइन, ऑल द प्रेशर, रियान पराग नहीं है, and he stood up. Bhai, he made a good 43 of 23. Jaldi mara. He attacked against Mayank. He attacked against, like I mentioned, Akash Singh. He got to his 43. Unfortunate not to get a 50 today, but again, like Suryavanshi, bhai, he was 11 of 11 with a strike rate of 100. Post that, he managed to score 27 balls में भाई 82 रन मारा है ये बच्चा, 7 छक्के, 7 चौवे और 10 बाउंड्री, 241. आप देखो 11 of 11 से 27 बॉल में 82, 10 छक्के, भाई वहां 7 रन आ गए, 7 में 28 आ गए. इमेजिन द शेयर हिटिंग जो मयंक यादव को 29 रन मारा यार इन ओवर. मयंक यादव को छोड़ दो आप यार, लाइक ही वेंट आफ्टर एवरीवन. आकाश सिंह, मयंक यादव, दिग्वेश राठी की चोटी पकड़ के सबको मारा भाई. लाइक शाबाश को तो ओवर ही नहीं दिया ऋषभ पंत, but incredible man. Mayank Yadav figures देखो 4 overs 50 runs is like the third or the second time that Mayank Yadav has struggled. And Mayank Yadav का ये एक भाई आप खाली 146 और 150 डालो क्या, you need to get pace variation. आपको slower one adapt करना पड़ेगा, adopt करना बनाना पड़ेगा. प्रिंस यादव आज इंडिया टीम में तो, ओडीआई के टीम में तो सेलेक्ट हो गए, लेकिन यार एलएसजी के टीम में फिलहाल लास्ट कपल ऑफ गेम्स में उनकी परफॉर्मेंसेस नहीं आ रहे हैं. 4 for 43. I know he would want to have performed today given the fact that selection है और justify करने का in some kind of a sense. But I mean, I'm not going to read too much into it, but he's been having a lot of lackluster days today. Akash Singh 3 over 51, चिटियां कलाया मार दिया उन्हें. सूर्यवंशी उसको बहुत बुरा मारा, सूर्यवंशी बहुत बुरा मारा. जुरेल, Jurel got 53 of 38, a relatively faster innings. I mean, he started off very slow, giving Suryavanshi the limelight, but Dhruv Jurel getting a 50 at the end of it, and they managed to chase very well. Rajasthan Royals कहीं पे ऐसा नहीं लिखा कि भाई slip हो रहे हैं, because when you have your bowlers like 4 for 50, 4 for 43, it's always going to be a bad day. But Rajasthan's hopes are still alive for the playoffs. Their last game is against the Mumbai Indians, and they will be in the Wankhede. If you look at the table right now, Punjab Kings are 13, Kolkata Knight Riders are 11. Kolkata is playing Mumbai tomorrow. They're still in contention. They've got to win the last two to win 15, and then hope that Rajasthan slips and Punjab slips as well. Punjab has to hope that Rajasthan slips in their last game and they win their last game and maintain that net run rate. And Rajasthan just have to win their last game. So it's all playing for right now in the playoffs for the Rajasthan Royals, Punjab Kings, and even to an extent the teams which are 14, they still can. अगर ये सब तीनों टीमों KKR, Punjab and Rajasthan Royals हारते हैं, तो even the teams like the Chennai Super Kings have a marginally outside chance because of their net run rates. But right now, 3 teams are qualified: RCB, GT, and Sunrisers, looking for a fourth, which could be either Rajasthan Royals, Punjab Kings, or it could be the Knight Riders. I think Punjab शायद जीत निकल के आएंगे. I don't know why मुझे लग रहा है मुंबई in Wankhede against Rajasthan Royals कहीं ना कहीं sleeping opportunity है, but you never know the way they perform today. वैभव सूर्यवंशी के बारे में जितना भी आप तारीफ कर लो बहुत कम है यार. ये बच्चे को गॉड गिफ्ट है, गॉड गिफ्टेड टैलेंट है. Preserve him, protect him. By 11 of 11 say he went on to score a 93 man, and he didn't even wait for his 100. He just tried to smash and win the game for the team, and that shows you that this kid's immense maturity, the way he's soaking it. He's in the right company, he's in the right people, right thought process of a T20 star. India A में भी select हो गया, under 19 भी खेल चुका, under 19 World Cup भी खेल चुका यार. सूर्यवंशी incredible यार बस दुआ निकलती है बॉय के लिए. Jaiswal led today well. He rotated the bowlers well. I mean, Sushant Mishra got smashed, and like I said, but Jofra Archer has been exceptional in the death overs, and Yasraj Punja again. But for Rishabh Pant, Phil Wafat, it doesn't look like a good day. With starting off as dropping down as the Whites captain, but also being Lucknow Super Giants captain, not easy, and he's definitely feeling the pressure as a captain, as a batsman. The choices are not correct. He's got to step up. Let's see what Lucknow Super Giants do in their last game. It's against Punjab Kings in Lucknow. So if LSG can do the dirty job on Punjab, let's see. KKR are going to play Mumbai tomorrow, and Rajasthan's final game is against Mumbai in the Wankhede. So stay tuned on Chasing Trophies. There's much yet to come on the IPL. Hit the like button and subscribe button. We'll join you in the next one. Till then, take care everybody and good night.